Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make calculate loan EMI in Google Sheets. So get it started. At first open your Google Sheets document. Firstly, in this video I will show calculate loan EMI. Now click for the EMI. Now keyboard press from the equal option. Then type for the PMT. Then press from the first bracket. Then select from the loan amount. Then slash 12, comma, and time of the year, and into 12 start, and select from the interest rate. Now close the first bracket. Now keyboard press from the enter. That's it. Then show calculate loan EMI in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.